Next, let's take a look at how to use EBT. First, we're going to go to dry dog food and ring in our EBT eligible items. Now that I've done that, you can see the items that have been added to the cart screen have these icons next to them to indicate that they are EBT eligible. Now let's ring in some non-EBT items, such as some dog toys. Here you can see these items are missing that symbol. Now to complete the transaction, I'm going to need to separate this into two different checks. To do that, I'll come down here and tap this button. In so doing, you can see that the checks have been split, one set for EBT and one set for non-EBT. To complete them, I'll highlight the check that I want to process and then go ahead and complete the transaction. Let's start the one that is not for EBT. Here I'll go ahead and pay with cash. And now you can see that I can print the receipt and that this check has been paid for. Next, we'll finalize the transaction for EBT. To do that, I'll go ahead and tap my Pay button, and I will then scroll down to find my option for EBT. I tap this, it will then activate the card reader, and I can then insert my card. And that is how to set up and use EBT with
Payflex POS